All right, follow along with me if you want to hit the reset button on your day. All right, so just begin by taking a nice deep breath in through your nose and looking directly up at your forehead. Holding your breath as you continue to look up. And you exhale, you close the eyes. And taking another deep breath in through the nose and opening your eyes to look up at your forehead. Holding your breath. And release your breath, close your eyes. One more deep breath in through the nose, looking up. And release, close the eyes. And now allowing your eyes to remain closed. And as eyes remain closed, just notice any sounds that you can hear. And as you do that, noticing also the tingling sensation in your right hand. And now the tingling in your left hand. And as you notice the tingling happening in both of your hands, I want you to imagine a wave of calm comfort washing over you from head to toe, starting at the top of the head, making its way down through each and every part of your body, doubling your relaxation, doubling your sense of calm and comfort. And as this wave of comfort makes its way to the tips of the toes, just noticing how relaxed your body feels. Allowing every muscle, every nerve, every cell in your body to deeply relax now. And we just continue to go a little deeper from 5 to 0, allowing each number to take us a little deeper into a wonderful state of relaxation, beginning now at 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0 is even deeper, amplifying and expanding this wonderful state. Just giving yourself permission to reset as you sink deeper and settle into this place. And giving your mind permission to accept the following suggestions. And giving your heart permission to accept them as well. Allowing each suggestion to feel like a truth being planted into the mind, a new belief. And allowing each suggestion to be a reminder deep within your heart. I let go of any tension in my body. I make space for calm and peace to move in instead. I release control. I release all worries and uncertainty. Because peace is my natural state. So I settle back into my natural state now. And no matter what is going on around me, I am steady. I am rooted in peace. I am anchored in trust. I am calm in this storm. That no matter what my day brings, I allow calm to be my response. I am calm. I am peace. And no matter what happens, I return to this truth again and again and again. And now taking a nice deep breath in, allowing the mind and heart to absorb all of this truth, to accept it, install it, and begin to run it easily and effortlessly for you today. Locking all of it in and sealing it in with each breath. And now I want you to imagine or visualize that there is a big reset button in front of you. And when you're ready, you just press that big reset button on your day, on how you're thinking, on how you're feeling. Just reset it all now. And as you do, just notice how you feel. Just notice the feelings that are flowing through you in this moment. Just noticing how good it feels. Perhaps a little smile or grin pops up on your face because it feels so good. To reset, to settle back into your calm, natural state of peace. And so we carry this feeling with us now, back into the rest of our day, coming back into full awareness now from 0 to 5. At 0, we close the door to the mind and we seal in all of the goodness. And at 1, we take a nice deep breath in through the nose. And at 2, we release, relax, and let it go even deeper. And at 3, becoming more and more aware of your surroundings. And at 4, the eyes feel very refreshed, as if they've just been cleansed in cool running spring waters, and they begin to flutter open. And at 5, eyes are open, wide awake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Eyes are open, wide awake to a fully non-suggestible state, physically relaxed, emotionally calm, feeling very peaceful and ready to take on the rest of the day.